Welcome to Whispers. Ọ̀gá mo ṣe bí ìran mẹ́ta kì í tòṣì ni wọ́n máa ń wí. Mẹ̀kúnnù ṣé tí yóò wá bá yín báyìí lójú ayé yín? Ẹ sin àwọn bàbá, ẹ tún ti wá ń sin àwọn ọmọ báyìí o. Ó mà ṣe o. Ibori's daughter, El-Rufai's son, 5 children of ex-governors named chairs of rep committees. Well, so it is now the government of the parents for the children, by both parents and children, for their families and cronies. That is the government we have now. Mekono. So, let's go into the headlines. At least 5 children of former governors are among the members appointed to chair various standing committees of the House of Representatives. During the plenary session, Tajuddin Abbas, Speaker of the House, announced the constitution of 134 standing committees in the Green Chamber. 134. The composition of the standing committees is in line with the provision of the Constitution and the House Standing Rules, which empower the Parliament to, through the committees, carry out oversight functions on government agencies and programs and address specific issues of national importance. Importance indeed. Checks by the issues of national importance. The 5 children, national importance. 5 children of former governors are among the lawmakers named by the Speaker to head the various committees. They are Ibori Shwenu, a PDP former member from Delta, Mohammed Bello El-Rufai, an APC Congress lawmaker from Kaduna, Adeboyega Adefarati of the APC from Ondo. Others are 2 APC members from Oyo and Ogun, Olamiju Akala and Segun Oshoba. You know that. Muhammad is the son of Nasser El-Rufai, the immediate past governor of Kaduna, who is President Bola Tinubu's ministerial nominee. Olumide is the son of Segun Oshoba, former governor of Ogun, who ruled between 1992 and 2003. Shuena is the daughter of James Ebori, former governor of Delta, who governed the South State from 1999 to 2007. Adeboyega is the son of the late former governor of Ondo, Adebayo Adefarati. Adefarati was governor from 1999 to 2003. Also, Olamiju is the son of the late Alao Akala, a former governor of Oyo. Apart from Olumide, Muhammad, Shuenu, Olamiju, and Adeboyega are all first-timers in the House of Representatives. Below are the committees the children of the former governors now head. Shuenu Ibori Niger Delta Development Commission NNDC Committee, Mohammed Bello El-Rufai Banking Regulation Committee, Adeboyega Adefarati Labour Employment and Productivity Committee, Olamiju Akala Youth and Parliament Committee, Olumide Oshoba Justice Committee. Wow. Ovation, standing ovation, standing ovation. Interestingly, these are their babies. Their babies. I mean, their cherished babies, children, are taking bold steps. In fact, they're stepping into their father's shoes. And not only are they taking giant steps, but are racing down the motorway. Mekuno, ekutiyo. Ewa alright. Etumawa. Okay. Àwọn máa wọn ọmọ tí wọ́n kó wọn dì. Ọmọ ara wọn náà ń kó sí. I mean, understand that these 5 are first timers, so there are some that have been there since time immemorial. Excuse me, tó ń rọra ń jẹ lábẹ́lẹ̀. Oh my God. Meanwhile, your mama never do. Hell, this is Shege Pro Max. Meanwhile, Tinubu on the other hand is telling you the masses lórí irọ́, one more month, one more bread, snacks. Wọ́n kò fọmọ tí wọ́n wá mú pàṣọ dání. Wọ́n fi na ẹ̀yin. Nígbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹran ẹ̀yà ni wọ́n ti rí yín bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Wọ́n ti rí yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Wow. Oh, so they are youths, the children, they are taking over. Yeah, that reminds me. There's this video of Sheyi Tinubu, and I think people are getting the point. In the video, they're saying that they're kind of giving the impression that he's talking to Nigerians. He was not talking to Nigerians. He was specific. He was talking to one person in particular, and that is Lege Miami. And in the beginning of that video, he was addressing Lege Miami. Whatever, excuse me, whatever bala bulu bulu blah, he was saying, he was addressing it to Miami. Go and listen to that video again. It said Lege Miami. That is why in Sheyi Tinubu's bala bulu bulu bala, he said my brother. He was talking to the, you know, he gave Eniola an award. So he has selected crumb hitters, crumb chasers from the people from the bottom of the chain, hustlers, you know. So he was speaking specifically. He was addressing specifically Lege Miami, who, you know, they are at the bottom, they are at the bottom of the chain, the pyramid, you know. They are the ass lickers, crumb chasers. Okay, so I just want to correct that. So it's the children. Oh, the parents are fronting. Their children are doing their own codedly behind the scene. I knew some. I'm not surprised, because I knew that when the parents went to go the gang class of 1999, you know. So, and of course, Buhari did it now. He put his children in key positions and they are cronies. So, it's not a big game. I mean, his is not the first, neither will he be the last. So, they're just circling themselves amongst themselves. So, I don't see it as it's nothing new to me. It's just that I feel sorry for the masses. I feel so they are now sympathizing with you. I feel sorry for the masses. That is just it. They are the ones bearing the brunt of this. So Tinubu on his Tinubu now said, Tinubu was now saying that Loriwa, I can assure you that I understand your pains and the pains of your uncles, brothers, your moms, I understand. I feel it. It is not easy to get out a monster of 40 years that is called subsidy. And he now went to say, for few leaders, elites, fleecing Nigeria. He is one of them. He is part of them. Part of the people fleecing Nigeria. Said, it is not acceptable and will never be acceptable to all of us. You no rewrong. You have endured. You just need to persevere a little bit more. That is you masses. But they are not persevering. No. They are looting. Their children are busy looting. No. They are putting themselves in position. They are putting their children as replacement. They are not persevering. No. It is not going to be easy to make the changes necessary. He's telling you that for the masses, but it doesn't take them anything, just like that, to make the necessary changes for themselves. But what we are going through today is saving for greatness tomorrow. Of course, I mean, what they are doing today, putting their children in position, is for their own greatness for tomorrow. So they are kind of like safeguarding, they are safeguarding themselves. They are safeguarding themselves, their cronies and their children. They are saving for their own greatness. When he's talking about himself and his cronies. He's not talking about you, my sister, great. What greatness? Do you know that from they are doing their own, they are building their whatever it is generationally, and they are giving you masses poverty generationally too. I mean, so they are parallel lines. I mean, the difference is clear, so they are safeguarding. They are saving for greatness tomorrow. They are safeguarding their interests. They are safeguarding their ill-gotten wealth. By passing the baton onto their children. What is so the oyajewo? What is so the ogun delay? I mean, and what I want no fair. I mean, take on what by she was it book one no my loss be. The share one baba le mama one ya to must be ìjọba tiwọn tàwọn táyà tó mọ́ wọn fún ara wọn tàwọn ti ẹlẹgbẹ́ wọn. Oni nǹkan ṣe oni ìjọba tó túmọ̀ sí pé kó jábẹ̀lẹ̀ kálukú ló ń ṣe tiẹ̀. Kò sí nǹkan tó kàn wọ́n ti ní tẹ́ẹ̀kì ọmọ ẹranko tí ò bá bàjẹ́ nígbó tọmọ èèyàn ò lè dán bámúbámú náà yóò kò sí nǹkan wọn ọmọ bóyá bí ń pọ ọmọ ọba bẹ́ẹ̀ nìkọ̀ọ̀kan mẹ́kúnnù ẹkú tiyín o gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá dìbò fún wọn gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọ̀rá ìsà ọmọ ọ̀ta tí wọ́n lè wọ́n méjì fẹ́ẹ́ yàn kó kí ló wá dé tí wọ́n wá mẹ́yìn sí kí ló dé tó ọ̀fọ́ ọmọ tiyín sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ tí ì rí nǹkan kan wọ́n lè fọmọ wọn sí kọ́ fi sí kó deadly kọ́ má gbé síta ìyẹn náà dà but kò sí nǹkan tó bọ̀. So people are reacting, of course. Ẹgẹ ṣe ní kẹsẹ ẹsẹ pé kó má tà ní ó bó ṣe kó tàpá bó ṣe kó gbé yín ṣubú á gbé yín ṣubú. So people are reacting, and this is some of the comments. So let's find out. When you keep asking Nigerians to be patient, endure, and persevere, that you're working towards betterment of the nation, but your actions and immediate developments are suggesting a situation of no hope. Absolute spot on. You see, they said renewed hope for them, because they hope this sets of people, greedy lots, they hope that they have renewed hope in the looting and whatever it is they have going on, and they have renewed shege, renewed poverty for the masses. Somebody said, bandit, what exactly is tomorrow? Well, that's a rhetorical question. What exactly is tomorrow? Where is Vision 2020 today? Tell us the date of the tomorrow. This is how you know criminals. Anybody that owes you and ask you, and each time you ask for your money, they say don't worry, I will pay you. Just give me small time. Such a person is not a good person. That debt must end and fight over trouble. Of course, I mean, I can see it. I can see the clouds gathering. This is gonna be a free-for-all fight when the masses, when they are ready to revolt. Lọ́wọ́ ìyà àtọwọ́dá tẹ́ ẹ fi ra yín, tẹ́ ẹ ṣetán láti rọra yín kúrò nínú ṣẹ́kẹ́ṣẹkẹ̀, nínú okun amúnisìn, tẹ́ ẹ fi àtẹnudẹ, tẹ́ ẹ fi àtàfọwọ́fà, tẹ́ ẹ fi kóra yín sí. Oh, somebody said, as the political class that put the masses into the mess, they are in Nigeria through their endless and artless looting of the country's wealth ever persevered. Why can't they show little encouragement through example in these trying times by cutting down their salaries and allowances? Why can't the cost of governance be pruned? Why can't MDAS be reduced? Instead, creation of more useless ministries to employ cronies is being, of course, I saw an headline that they are creating more ministries. Can you imagine? The ones that they have, they can't even sustain them. They are owing them salaries, yet they are creating more. All these agencies, all these committees, they are just creating so that their children can have easy cash flow. Their cronies can have easy cash flow, and they keep on looting the country. Tinubu is telling Nigerians to persevere more while he recovers the money he used to bribe his way to the presidency. Absolutely, because he spent money. When he said, well, what money cannot do, more money. So now he has to recover. He has to recover. When the drug lord was distributing money in foreign currency and you people were collecting, you did not know that he will later recoup the hundreds of millions of pounds and dollars as spent. When Bola Ahmed Tinubu finishes with you Nigerians, you will really finally come to your senses. Is he even a Nigerian? Nobody knows where he comes from. And he is the president. And he is president of Nigeria. Ha! That's a big how. A big how. Can you imagine? Can you beat that? It can only happen in Nigeria. It's only in Nigeria that snake swallows money. That monkey swallows money. It's only in Nigeria that senators that looted, as in somebody like Dino. They were actors. They should have given them an Oscar nomination for the role. Somebody like what's his name? Fayose. Oh my God. It's only in Nigeria that somebody like all of them, all these people, they have serious cases against them. There's no accountability. These are adults behaving badly, and they're getting away with it. And by getting away with it, they are being emboldened. And not only are they doing it, but their children are even worse. Because I've started seeing headlines that some of the people on the ministerial list, they have cockroaches in their cupboards. Some of them are wanted for one fraudulent allegation or another, either by DSS or EFCC. I knew it that all the people that are that are taking part in this government, they have one thing or another to do with greediness, people of dubious character, never do well, irrespective of their tribe, irrespective of their religion. They have one thing in common. to loot the treasury, to milk the people dry. They don't have the best interests of the people, of the masses at heart. Anybody that agrees to participate in one position or another in this government, it's glaring. They have something in common with Tinubu, because Tinubu is choosing people that he feels is the people of like minds. People that he feels are not gonna betray him, but he's abidin yoko so nígbà tí kíní tó bá máa àárín wọn náà ló ti máa blow, àárín wọn náà ló tó kẹjẹ pé mẹ̀kúnnù máa forífa torí tẹ́lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bá jìyà olódodo máa pín bẹ́ẹ̀. So àárín wọn náà ni, can you imagine? So their children, apple doesn't fall far from the tree now. Nǹkan tí Tinubu náà máa ṣe yẹn, Tinubu máa select a few people. Òun náà lọ́mọ ẹ̀ tí ń ṣe, even amongst the youth, ọmọ ẹ̀ náà ṣe, is selecting. He has Eniola, he has awarded Eniola, he has acknowledged Lege Miami. That speech he made, he was addressing Lege Miami. Whatever Bulu Balabala Bulu town hall promises he was making, he was addressing it to Lege Miami, and specifically all those youths that supported his father. He's not talking to the general masses. So he's saying his own. No, he said, what did he even say? Oh my God, if I can get, what did he say? What did he say? What was it that he said? There was this speech he made. Nigerians, the president are expecting or something. Who is expecting who? Who is it? Excuse me? Only his father will not fail. His father will not fail. His father will not fail Nigerians. That he has failed. That he has failed. But Shamo, Yoruba for sure, Yoruba will do their own show, that kind of a way. Yes, so, again, so, I remember Agachi Samuel, I have office of the first daughter, office of the first son. So they're gonna have something similar, something like that. So maybe keep for come if only move, but elaying to a renewed hope for themselves. He was assuring Lege Miami that the hope they've been expecting is here. He's talking specifically to Lege Miami, who is a Yoruba Nollywood actor, but he's not really acting. He's into dating, whatever. He has all this weird dating, whatever it is that he's doing. So, and he was saying, he has all kinds of, he was talking to Lege Miami. He was acknowledging Lege Miami. So it wasn't like he's talking to Nigerians, the masses as a whole, as it's being painted. You see, they said okay. Seyi Tinubu made this known in a now viral video sent to actor Kehinde Adams, aka Lege Miami, for his faith in the president. The hope you've been waiting for is here. I guarantee you that my father will not fail you. In his words, I want to thank you so much for everything you do. He was talking to Lege Miami. I want to thank you for the faith you have in our president. And I guarantee you, President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not fail Nigeria. The hope that we've been looking and hoping for is here. The president that we have all wanted is here. I guarantee you, my brother. He didn't say I guarantee you Nigerians. Okay? So, of course, Chief Tinubu is the president. Chief Tinubu is the president that they want, that they are hoping and looking forward to. It's being specific. So don't get it twisted. So he was talking to Leke Miami. But I'm so surprised that people are like he's talking. No, he was talking specifically to Leke Miami, just as his dad. Apple doesn't fall far from the tree. He chooses them, he handpicks them, so that when he's ready to yank them, he can yank them anyhow. So, can you imagine? Somebody now said on a closing note, I no fit imagine person will say, I will hit the ground running. So this is just baby steps of pain, and now telling us to endure. Did they endure during Goodluck's tenure? They hit the streets with every protest. Yeah. They were protesting, and now they don't even want people to. They're saying they are choking the masses. The masses don't buy. Truth be told, the masses don't buy finally under Chief Noble. They are saying the masses should breathe. But the reality is the masses can't breathe. They are doing George Floyd treatment to the masses. They finally buy the masses, so masses don't buy. This one that they're saying, let the masses breathe. No, they are giving the masses the George Floyd treatment. Masses don't buy you. Masses don't kaput. They don't buy the masses. They don't kaput the masses. So masses know they breathe again. No. You don't buy for them. So masses, you don't buy you. You don't buy this. Somewhere they are saying, let the masses this. They are just trying to resuscitate you, but they've so much pressed your neck. They gave you the George Floyd treatment. You don't buy. You don't buy. It's just a matter of time. The last job will come, and then there will be funeral. That is just it. Truth is bitter. Otoro bi sokusoni. Otoro ateyikala for Otoro bi sokusoni. Masses want to buy yin. It's a done deal. Want to buy yin now. Want to know okuki bala yorojo. So, ní kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Ẹ máa mú mi sí. Àjẹmúmi ilẹ̀ wa, wọ́n ti ní kí lẹ máa jẹ ẹ̀wà, gàrí àgbàdo, cassava. Nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó bá dé, wọ́n ti ní kó recruit. Wọ́n máa recruit 50 million yìí to come and fight their wars. Meanwhile, àwọn ọmọ wọn ti jápa. Àwọn ọmọ wọn ti lọ sí their various countries. So, all of them as one is citizenships méjì ni wọ́n ní. Nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ jà bá bẹ̀rẹ̀. Wọ́n wá recruit 50 million youths masses. Ẹ̀yin á wá máa jàjà wọn lọ. Ẹ̀yin á máa jàjà. Meanwhile, àwọn àtàwọn ọmọ wọn pẹ̀lú gbogbo owó tí wọ́n jà, wọ́n á fly lọ sí ìlú míì. Wọ́n á lọ máa masses. Wọ́n ti ṣe George Floyd treatment fún yín o. Wọ́n ti pa yín. That is just it. Lè takutu òkú ìbálàrí ìròjọ́ náà fi ṣe àwọn tí wọ́n pa nígbà yẹn sàṣì tí wọ́n kókùn wọn pa mẹ́jọ, ṣé wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀, ṣé wọ́n lè takutu treatment tí wọ́n fún yín nìyẹn. Nígbà tó mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ deserve nìyẹn. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ deserve nìyẹn. Nígbà tó mọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ àwọn wọ́n deserve kó fọmọ wọn sí committee. Èyí tí bàbá ẹ̀ ti kú nǹkan tó mọ̀ pé yẹ sára wa ni wọ́n ní ṣe tá a ṣe ọmọ awo a lè ṣe ọmọ ọ̀gbẹ̀rì bẹ́ẹ̀. Wọ́n fún ní nǹkan tó deserve, wọ́n gbé síbi tí tó ti máa rówó bọ́ tẹ́yìn. George Floyd treatment náà fún yín, wọ́n ti pa yín o masses. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ tí yín o. Ẹ wà okay. Ẹ tẹ̀tí máa wà alright. Rada. Until I come your way again. Ẹ múra ẹ sí bàbá báyìí. Ẹ tún ti ṣe àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yìn sí wọn wá ni. Ẹ̀yin ni hardbag carriers. Àwọn ọmọ wa wà ní mọ́tò, ẹ̀yin á máa sáré lọ níwájú. Àwọn á máa lọ, wọ́n wà ní mọ́tò, ẹ̀yin á máa sáré lọ níwájú. Ẹ kò tí yín o. Wọ́n ti ṣe George Floyd fún yín, ẹ ti páyì. Òkú ìbálàyé rojọ́, ẹjọ́ ló máa yanjú ẹ. So until I come your way again. Àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n á lọ kàwé ìlú òyìnbó. Àwọn ọmọ tí ní primary school wọ́n ti pẹ̀mẹ̀, secondary school wọ́n ti pẹ̀mẹ̀, university wọ́n ti pẹ̀mẹ̀, torí pé wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ tí yín máa ṣerú fáwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n. wọ́n fẹ́ káwọn ọmọ tí yín máa káwọ́ sókè máa ṣọ̀rọ̀ àìsà fáwọn ọmọ tiwọn. It's all good. Wọ́n ṣáà ti pa eyín ṣá. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, wọ́n ti pa yín sáyé. Ẹ̀yin òkú ayé. Ẹ máa yanjú ẹ̀ o masses. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ tí yín o. Ẹ wà òkè. Ẹ tún wà alright o. Nígbà tó bá yá yín, ẹ mọ nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Tó bá jójú ṣúṣú, ìdí alá. So until I come your way again. Mẹ̀kúnnù. Àwọn ti George Floyd. Ẹ ǹlẹ́ o.